Hey, my name is Chris McCloy. I'm a voice actor, and I am going to undertake building my own voiceover booth. And I would love it if you guys came along on the journey with me. Buy some lumber from Home Depot, build some walls, do some soundproofing. Is it going to be absolutely the 100% best way you could possibly build a studio? Probably not, but you guys can probably steal some ideas from me, and maybe it'll help you on your journey in your voiceover career. So, here we go. I'm just mapping out everything on where I'm going to be beginning. And I'm doing that sort of on the floor as my general kind of layout of how I'm going to do things. And then I'm not tearing anything down. I'm going to be building this against the existing structure of everything. So I'm not tearing down any drywall. I'm not tearing down any ceiling or anything. I'm just going to frame in place. So if you don't want to destroy an entire room, this is the process I'm going through. I don't know, maybe it'll be useful for you, but it's definitely going to be a permanent structure. I'm going to be putting it into everything and making it part of this existing place. And that's pretty much where we're going to get started. So